Everyone says that the Latin language is dead, but that's simply not true. Latin is alive, and it is powerful. It's not a dead language. The key is simply hidden. Today, we're going to hear a story about a great mystery, a story that holds the key to the ancient world. If you have the key, you can open the ancient world. Are you ready? Let's begin. Marcus lives in the city of Rome. Marcus is a struggling student, and he always sits in the great library. Marcus reads many books. This is Marcus. Look at Marcus. Marcus is happy, but there is one mystery he does not understand. What is that mystery? In an ancient book, Marcus finds a bronze key. The key is small, but heavy. The key has strange and wonderful words engraved on it. Marcus holds the key in his hands and says in a low voice, "What do these words mean?" The words on the key say, "Ubi lux non est, ibi veritas manet." Where there is no light, there the truth remains. Marcus thinks, we must find the place where there is no light. But where is that place? Time for new vocabulary. Habitat, he or she lives. Sedet, he or she sits. Legit, he or she reads or studies. Invenit, he or she finds. Tenet, he or she holds. Now a question for you. Quid Marcus invenit? What did Marcus find? Write your answer in the comments below. Marcus leaves the library and goes to the ancient forum. The forum is huge and very old. There, Marcus sees an old man, a wise man with a long beard. Marcus shows the old man the key and asks, "Dear sir, what do these words mean?" Marcus leaves the library and goes to the ancient forum. The forum is huge and very old. There, Marcus sees an old man, a wise man with a long beard. Marcus shows the old man the key and asks, "Dear sir, what do these words mean?" Marcus is afraid, but he wants the truth. He thanks the old man and runs through the streets to the temple. At the temple, there is bright, clear light everywhere. But Marcus remembers the words on the key. Where there is no light, he finds stairs going down under the ground. He descends into the darkness. The tunnel is long and cold. In the darkness, Marcus sees a light. The door would not open. Marcus inserts the key into the gate. Suddenly, the whole place Marcus say? What is the truth beneath the gate? We'll find out in part 2. If you enjoyed this beginning, hit the like button. Write in the comments what you think Marcus will do next. Type ad in Pharos if you want more Latin adventures. Thank you, friends. See you soon. Vale.